I'm headed to the Loops Theater District, just a short block south of the fabulous Riverwalk, for a tour of one of the apartments at the landmark Century Tower. I've just walked into Unit 508, a studio apartment, where there's a very sleek new bath to the right as you enter. Large gray floor tile continued in the shower surround. It's a wide shower, a nice sized vanity, mirrored medicine cabinet with makeup mirrors. Looking at wide plank blonde flooring. Coat closet off to the right with organizers. And then you step into the living area. There are roller blinds on the windows. Cabinets on the wall. An L-shaped kitchen. Everything new, very sleek. Trek lighting, stainless steel appliances. A deep sink with a designer faucet. 4-burner electric range, a dishwasher. Cabinet front washer dryer that's front loading and full sized. Overall, a very sleek, very appealing studio in a building that has an absolutely terrific location in the theater district in Chicago's Loop. It's one you definitely want to check out when you're looking for a new apartment in downtown Chicago. Head to Century Tower's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.